Today we have the big four-door Infiniti with a lot of miles. The passenger side was a lot worse than the driver's side, but both lights needed to be done. Here's the passenger side, really bad. And the driver's side, not so bad. It needed a little bit of work, but not so bad. So here's the end result. Beautiful. Crystal clear, as usual, when we're done with it. And you see, you thought that the driver's side didn't need to be done. There it is. Call us, text us, 754-302-0769. We service South Florida. We're mobile. We come to you, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach County. 754-302-0769. You could text us pictures of your headlights and we'll give you an estimate.